I'm Clay.
I'm Marisol.
Hi, Sarah.
And we're the Farmer family. Welcome to another episode of Play and Sell Blog. I'm going to be replacing the battery in this watch, and then later on I'll be polishing this watch again. This here's the watch repair box. I'll need this here and this. Put the rest of it over here because I don't need it for this type of watch. I'll use these two smaller ones. Put them in here. The hollower side facing down. Or you could face it up, but down works better. This here moves. Just like it out. This is the back of the watch. Place it in here and this moves. So roll it in, put this on the watch like so. Follow the rim where it's coming apart. This moves up and down. Move this in here like this to catch the watch where it goes around here. The back comes off. And just press it and press it. Like that. And the back comes off. Out, and you know which way this goes. This open end goes where this is. And pop the battery out. Very easy. Get the new battery. Pop it back down in there. Battery. Pop it down in there. Okay. Didn't want to go. We just put this back on. Pop the back on. The watch is working. That simple, that easy. The chain is really badly tarnished. And the type of metal this chain is made out of, this actually came from another watch. So I don't know how this is going to be, what I can do with this. I have to think of something to do.